Hey kids, let's have some fun learning the ed word family. The letters E and D, when they are blended together, says ed. Let's practice blending the letters E and D together. Ed, ed. Ed, ed. You're doing great, kids. Now, let's practice reading some ed words. Let's go. Ed. Ed. Mad. She is a mad. R, e, d. R, e, d. Red. This is a red star. E, d. D. Fed. Jill fed her cat. B. E. D. B. E. D. Bed. My bed is big. O, e, d. O, e, d. Led. He led the band. S, o, e, d. S, o, e, d. Sled. I rode the sled. W, e, d. W, e, d. Wed. They wed at the church. Sh, e, d. Sh, e, d. Shed. The shed is brown. T, e, d. T, e, d. Ted. Ted is a boy. Let's read them again. Ed, mad. R, e, d, red. F, e, d, fed. B, e, d, bed. L, e, d, led. S, l, e, d, sled. W, e, d, wed. Sh, e, d, shed. T, e, d, ted. Super! Let's do it one more time. Med, red, fed, bed, led, sled, wed, shed, Ted. Wonderful kids. Keep practicing these words and you will learn them. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in another video. I love you. Bye.